Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to the Dell Inspiron 3501P90F Maintenance Guide. Today, we will walk you through the process of installing a new disk and performing essential maintenance on your laptop. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Make sure you're working in a clean, well-lit area. Now, before we begin, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's also a good practice to remove the battery if your model allows it. 1. Remove the back cover. Locate the screws securing the back cover. Use your Phillips No. 0 screwdriver to remove these screws. There are usually 5 to 7 screws, so keep them organized. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips in the process. 2. Locate the disk slot. With the back cover removed, identify the disk slot. It's typically located near the center of the laptop. You may notice a bracket that holds the existing disk in place. 3. Remove the old disk. If there is an existing disk, carefully unscrew the bracket using your Phillips screwdriver. Gently lift the disk out of its slot, ensuring you don't damage any connectors. 4. Install the new disk. Take your new disk and align it with the connectors in the slot. Firmly but gently push it in until it's securely connected. Place the bracket back over the disk and screw it into place. At this point, if you're feeling unsure or don't have the right tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can have a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your laptop is in good hands. 5. Clean internal components. It's also a good time to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other components. This helps in maintaining optimal performance. Avoid touching components directly with your fingers to prevent static damage. 6. Reassemble the laptop. Once everything is secure, carefully align the back cover and press down until it clicks into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so to avoid stripping. 7. Power on and check. After reassembling, plug in your laptop and power it on. Enter the BIOS setup by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F2 or DL. Here, check if the new disk is recognized correctly. If everything looks good, proceed to install your operating system or format the disk as needed. If you encounter any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you can know the cost upfront before proceeding. And that's it. You've successfully installed a new disk in your Dell Inspiron 3501P90F and performed some essential maintenance. This simple yet effective process can extend the life of your laptop significantly. Happy computing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.